Okay. Next we will go for sum number 4. Students, one more thing. கொஞ்சம் வாய்ஸ் கிளியராக இல்லாமல் இருக்கலாம் பிகாஸ் ஐ எம் நாட் ஃபீலிங் வெல். ஸோ ஜஸ்ட் ஏதாவது கிளியராக இல்லைன்னா கேட்டுக்கோங்க. சம் நம்பர் 4, negation P and negation Q. Here we are having only two statements, P and Q. P and Q. Therefore, you will have 4 elements. First, you have to write P and Q. Among the 4 elements, half of 4 is 2. There is 2 true, 2 false. Among 2, half is 1. True, false, true, false. After that, we have to find negation P and negation Q. Negation P find பண்ணுங்க, negation Q find பண்ணுங்க. Negation, already, as I already said, negation means opposite. Negation P means opposite to P. That is true in the false form. You have to consider for P. True in the false. False in the true, true. Next, negation Q means opposite to Q. That is false, true, false, true. Next, negation P and negation Q. The last statement will be negation P and negation Q. And means we have to take and means one statement is false, then the resultant will be false. We have to take an and statement for negation P and negation Q. Upper negation P, negation Q. For both, we have to take and statement. And is, if any one statement is false, the result will be false. Therefore, for first, false and false means result will be false. Next, false, false. In last statement, both are true. Therefore, result will be true. Next, sum number 5. Negation of P and negation Q. Negation of P and negation Q. Okay. First, within bracket we will find here we are having two statements P and Q. Therefore, we will have 4 elements: true, true, false, false. Among of true, false, true, false. Next, we have to consider within bracket first P and negation Q. P and negation Q. And means if anyone is false, result will be false. Okay. P and negation Q. Negation Q, you know. Therefore, we will find negation Q. Negation Q means opposite to Q. That is false, true, false, true. Next, you have to take and statement for P and negation Q. P க்கும் negation Q க்கு and statement எடுக்கணும். That is, if any one statement is false, then the result will be false. T, F means F. Second, true. Third, false. Fourth, false. Next, we have to take, we have find within bracket P and negation Q. After that, we have to take negation for the given statement. That is negation of P and negation Q. P and negation Q க்கு we have to take negation. That means P and Q, negation Q இருக்கு, அதுக்கு negation எடுத்தா, that is opposite symbol. True, false, true, true. Next problem, sum number 6. Okay, already we have given in definition conditional biconditional statement. Okay, first we will see conditional statement. Conditional means இப்படி ஒரே ஒரு arrow மட்டும் போடுவோம். P to Q, P to Q. Okay, we are having two statements P and Q. Therefore, we have 4 elements T, T, F, F, T, F, T, F. Okay, here the first statement is true. This is important. First statement is P and second statement is Q. Okay, first statement P, second statement Q. In by conditional statement, if okay, according to conditional statement, if P then Q, if P then Q and it is denoted by P conditional Q, here P is called the hypothesis or antecedent. That is, the first statement is known as P and Q. Among this, the first statement is known as hypothesis or antecedent, and the second statement is called conclusion or consequence. Second statement is called conclusion or consequence. If P to Q is false, only if P is true and Q is false. அதாவது இப்போ P to Q that is P conditional Q na first statement true ஆகும் second statement false ஆகும் இருந்தால் மட்டும் false மற்ற எல்லாமே true. We will go for our problem. P to Q பார்த்தீங்கன்னா that is conditional statementல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா first statement true ஆகும் second statement false ஆகும் இருந்தால் மட்டும் false மற்றபடி எல்லாமே true தான். That is P conditional Q. P conditional Q. Suppose we need to find Q conditional P. Q conditional P. Q conditional P means here the first statement is Q and second statement is P. அப்போ இதிலிருந்து இதை தான் பார்க்கணும். Q to P means first statement is Q and second statement is P. அப்போ Q true ஆகும் P false ஆகும் இருந்தால் மட்டும் false மற்ற எல்லாமே true. That is Q true ஆகும் P false ஆக இருந்தால் மட்டும் false மற்ற எல்லாமே true தான். This is conditional statement. Suppose biconditional statement, next one. Biconditional statement is denoted using double side arrow. Suppose you have to find biconditional P biconditional Q. இது பார்த்திங்கன்னா நமக்கு actual mathematics multiplication தான். That is minus into minus plus, plus into plus plus, plus into minus minus. Same condition தான் யூஸ் பண்ண போகிறோம். That means both the statements are same, then the result will be true. We are having two statements P and Q. I'll write 4 elements. இப்போ P biconditional Q. P biconditional Q means as well like mathematical multiplication. Minus into minus plus, plus into plus plus. That same symbols means the result will be plus. That is here the same here. If we're having both are same symbol means it is true. If different symbol means false. True into true, true. That is both are different means false. False into true, false. False false means true. This is biconditional statement. At last we'll come for next problem. We'll have two more problems. Next one, negation P conditional R and P biconditional Q. இங்கே டோட்டலாக பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நம்மகிட்ட இருக்கிறது PQR. We are having three statements. We are having three statements P, Q and R. Number of elements will be, there is number of rows will be 2 power 3. 2 power 3 means 8. அப்போ 8 na half of 8 is 4. அப்போ first PQR. Write PQR. Here we are having 8 elements. 8 of 4. அப்போ 4 true, 4 false. Next, half of 4 is 2. Upper 2 true, 2 false. 2 true, 2 false. Half of 2 is 1. Upper 1 true, 1 false. TF, TF, TF no வரும். Okay, next எதுக்குலாம் negation இருக்குன்னு பார்த்துக்கோங்க. We are having negation for only P. Negation P. தனித்தனியாக எல்லாத்துக்கும் காலம் போட்டுக்கோங்க, புக்கில் இருக்கும். negation P first. Negation P means opposite to P. அப்போ என்ன ஆகும்னா T F F F F T T T T. Next, negation P or conditional Q. Negation P conditional R. First within bracket, அதுக்கப்புறம் second within bracket is P by conditional Q. அதுக்கப்புறம் ரெண்டு ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்டுக்கும் we take and. That is negation P conditional R and P by conditional Q. Okay, first negation P conditional R. Conditional already சொல்லியிருக்கும். First statement true, second statement false ஆகியிருந்தால் resultant will be false. First statement true, second statement false means resultant will be false. Negation P இருந்து ஆர்க்கு பார்க்கணும். negation P இருந்து ஆர்க்கு first statement true ஆகும், second statement false ஆகிறது மட்டும் பார்க்கணும். அது மட்டும் false. இது true, false. இது true, false. Remaining statement are true. Okay, next. Biconditional means we have to take biconditional for P and Q. That is as told. Same sign, same means true. Both the statement are same. The result will be true. Otherwise false. That is true into true. True. True for P and Q. False. False. false, false, true, true. அடுத்தது we will take and statement for that is resultant negation P and conditional R and P biconditional Q. That means we will take and statement here. ரெண்டு ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்டுக்கு அண்ட் எடுக்கணும். அண்ட் மீன்ஸ் இஃப் எனி ஒன் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் இஸ் ஃபால்ஸ் ரிசல்ட் வில் பி ஃபால்ஸ், அதர்வைஸ் ட்ரூ. Okay, we'll go for last problem. Show that the following is an equivalence relation. The following statement is an equivalence relation. That is negation of P biconditional Q equivalence P biconditional negation Q. ரெண்டு ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் ஈக்குவலன்ஸ் காமிக்கணும்.